The secrets to starting a high-profit side business. You're 25, sipping a cold drink on a rooftop in Bali, and your phone buzzes, not with a work email, but with a payment notification. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the cold, hard truth. Most people your age will spend the next 10 years working a job they hate, stuck in a cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck survival. The difference between those who break free and those who stay stuck? One thing. They started a high-profit side business, and they did it the smart way. In this video, I'll break down the exact secrets to starting a profitable side hustle, even if you have zero experience, no money, and a 9-to-5 that's already draining you. These aren't sell t-shirts on Etsy or start a dropshipping store in 10 minutes tips. These are real strategies that actually work in 2025. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share the one decision that almost guarantees success or failure. So, are you in, or are you going to keep scrolling? The journey. Secret number 1. Find a pain point, not a passion. Let's kill the cliche. Follow your passion. Listen, if passion made money, every anime-loving gamer would be a millionaire by now. Instead, solve a painful problem people already want to fix. Think back. When was the last time you paid for convenience? For speed? For less stress? That's your gold mine. Whether it's resume writing, tutoring, social media management, the most profitable side businesses are built on need, not novelty. And no, selling digital sea shanties to pirate enthusiasts on Etsy is not a scalable niche. Unless you're very creative. But solving a problem is just step 1, because the next step, it separates the dabblers from the ones who hit 6 figures. Secret number 2, stack your skills. Here's the truth. You don't need a degree, but you do need skills, and better yet, a stack of them. Most high-profit businesses are built on a combo, like copywriting plus email marketing, or coding plus product design. You become dangerous when you're not just good at one thing, but great at connecting two. Think of it like Pokemon evolution. Basic Charmander skills won't cut it. You need to level up to Charizard. Don't just learn a skill. Stack them, practice them, apply them. You'll go from freelancer to founder. So you found a problem. You've built your skill stack. But there's one more thing most people skip, and it's the reason they fail. Secret number 3, validate before you build. You don't need a logo, you don't need a website, and you definitely don't need business cards. What you need is proof someone wants what you're selling. Before you spend hours building, validate. Ask people, run ads, offer a beta version. If no one wants to pay, you just saved yourself months of wasted time. And please, no one cares if your logo is a flaming phoenix with gradient wings. Save the branding flex for later. But what if no one responds? What if you launch and it flops? That's where the next secret comes in. And it's not what you think. Secret number 4, embrace micro launches. The best businesses don't start big. They start tiny, and they iterate fast. Instead of building a full product, launch a test version. Instead of a full brand, build a landing page. Instead of 1,000 customers, aim for 3. You'll learn more from 3 paying users than 3 months of research. Think of it like dating. Would you marry someone after stalking their LinkedIn for 6 months? Number. You go on a date. You see if it clicks, then scale. But here's the kicker. Even with a great offer and real buyers, most people still don't make it to profit. Why? Because they skip the final secret, and it's the one nobody talks about. Secret number 5, master the boring stuff systems, taxes, time blocking, customer service. Boring? Maybe. But this is where the money is made. Real wealth comes from consistency, not creativity. If you can wake up, execute, and track results without motivation, you're already ahead of 95% of people. And no, lighting a candle and manifesting $10,000 months isn't a strategy. Execution is. Now, we've talked about the strategies, but what really matters is what you do next. And that brings us to the final act, the decision. Right now, you have a choice. You can scroll to the next video, chase the next dopamine hit, and forget everything you just heard. Or you can start. You can take 30 minutes today and sketch your offer. DM 3 people. Sign up for that course. Post that idea. Because if you wait for perfect, you'll be 30, broke, and bitter, wondering, what if I'd started at 23? The truth is, you don't need luck, or investors, or 100,000 followers. You just need one thing: momentum. Start messy, start scared, just start. If this hit home, drop a fire emoji in the comments and tell me your business idea. And if you're serious about building wealth in your 20s, hit subscribe. This channel is your unfair advantage.